How to fix screen rotation not working in Realme GT7. So let's start the video. First of all, open Play Store and then search here sensor test, and install this sensor test app. After install this app, then install accelerometer test and also install this app. After install these two apps, then go back to your home screen and open settings. In settings, scroll down and click on system and update, and then click on backup and reset. Now again click on reset phone. Now here you can see the option reset all settings. Now click on reset all settings and then enter your password to reset all your settings. It will never destroy any other data like photos, videos, documents, but it will only reset your settings. After reset your settings, then go back to your home screen and restart your device. For restart your device, press and hold power button and then swipe up to restart your device. After doing these steps, your problem will be fixed. I hope this video is helpful for you. Thanks for watching.